Hey guys, so one of the biggest narrative right now in crypto is AI agents. First of all, if you don't know what AI agent is, this is basically a self-sufficient automated bot, for example on Twitter, that is posting his own tweets. He is actually also buying his own crypto coins. You can donate money to him, and for example, let's talk about one of the biggest AI agents, which is Truth Terminal, one of the first ones. And here you can see this guy, the Mark Anderson, basically donated $50,000 to this AI agent. And you can see he was also on Joe Rogan. He's one of the innovators in the space, and he donated $50,000. And one of the coins that this Truth Terminal was talking about was GOAT. GOAT right now has around $500 million to $800 million in market cap. Here is a list of the biggest AI agents, also biggest by the mind share, which means that many people, many influencers on Twitter are posting about these AI agents, which are also coins. And I also want to talk about one super undervalued AI agent that is not yet on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and which is really undervalued in my opinion. But first of all, you can also talk to these coins, suggest them to buy something or create some their own meme coins, something like that. We have also coins like Fart coin, the AI16Z coin, and if you don't know, the A16Z is one of the biggest VCs, the investors in this crypto space, and they have their own AI agent on Twitter, on X, and they have their own coin. Even the biggest influencers right now are talking about AI agents. It looks like this wave is taking over the meme coin wave. How you can find these AI agents? First of all, I think the best place to look for them are many of these new applications. Here you can see them. Also, search on Twitter. You can also find on CoinMarketCap in categories AI agents, but if you want to find new gems, you will have to go on X or find on these apps. And one of the biggest ones, I think the newest ones, the undervalued, that I just bought myself is this AI Monica AI agent. And why I am bullish on this is because one of the team members, I think the CEO, Yat Siu of Animoca Brands, actually posted this AI agent, which is insane. And it basically went from 8 million to 32 million in like one day. Right now it is back at like 18 million per market cap. And looking at the fact that there are these huge AI coins that have pumped to 500 million, 800 million dollars in market cap, this has like 10x, 20x room for growth. And I think if Animoca Brands is one of the biggest investment firms, basically global huge company in this Web3 space, I wouldn't be surprised if this AI Monica can reach as well 500 million, $1 billion in market cap. But of course this video is not a financial advice. I just like to find these gems, these undervalued projects really early, and right now this is super early if you are looking at it right now. And by the way, this is a total degen play because I don't even know what will happen with this coin. I hope this is not a rug or dump, based on the fact that Yat Siu himself retweeted and posted about this coin and mentioned A16Z as well. I think this will perform well. I hope it will go up significantly because I have bought some. And yeah, and if you're asking me how you can find these projects so early, the thing that I do is basically you go on X, on Twitter, and you just scroll, you follow the biggest accounts like, again, Yat Siu, A16Z, many influencers like Zeneca, G Money, Beeple. They will be talking or posting about these new projects that they themselves, for example, invest in, or they create them, or they just support them. That's why that's a great way to find new projects, just being online all the time. But if you don't want to do it yourself, some other good ways to participate is basically go on these paid groups where you have to pay to be in, Telegram groups, Discord groups, with people that are actually 24/7 in this crypto space. They are searching, they are talking about these new basically listings, new coins, new narratives. And yeah, another great way to find new projects soon is going on these paid groups. Pay, for example, 1 Solana, maybe 10 Solana, depending on how big is the group, how popular. And yeah, some of these groups are really exclusive with huge influencers, and yeah, it might be more expensive to go in. But if you are looking at the fact that you have to spend your own time to just scroll on X and search for new narratives, new coins, it might be much cheaper to just pay and just wait for people that are sitting online 24/7 and just searching these projects. But again, AI agents is one of the biggest narrative right now, because if you are looking at meme coins, I think this is quite played out narrative. It is like played out 80%. And in my opinion, the best way to make the biggest gains, in my opinion, is to find these new narratives really early. And I think AI agents are quite early. And this particular AI Monica AI coin is the basically earliest I have found anything like this. And I hope this will cook. I hope at least 10x, 20x. And yeah, let's look on the future, what future holds. Maybe this will go to zero, you never know. And again, if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up. Let me know in the comments section what you want to know. Maybe there are some questions about crypto, about these AI agents or meme coins. I will answer. I try to answer all of my comments. And if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up. Press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on nothing like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.